Hi everyone, welcome back. My name is Emily. In this video I will share with you a card that I created with some of the new products from Miss Ink. I used the Go Banana stamp set. I just love this stamp set. I think it's super cute. And I will also use a stencil called On the Vine. That is also a newer one. And of course I paired it with an older one called Ins and Outs stencil, and this one is called Hollywood. So really fun card, and I just love combining stencils with my stamping. And I did some quick alcohol ink coloring here. I used my Spectrum Noir markers. I love my Spectrum Noir markers. I think the colors are really nice, and yeah, I just love how this turned out. And as you can see, I sped this up a couple of times, but I didn't spend that much time coloring in all of these images, so it went pretty fast. So I will share with you here how it all looks when it's done. And of course I couldn't leave it as is. I wanted some rosy cheeks for my monkeys here, and of course I went in with a white gel pen just to highlight a couple of parts of the monkeys and also give them some dots on their cheeks. I just think that is adorable, so I always do that when I'm coloring in creatures. So that is the process here. So here I combined two stencils. You can see the On the Vine is on the back, and I just adhere it with I would say the framework of the Ins and Outs stencil that I was talking about previously. And when I had these two put together, I lined up my panel. And Miss Ink's stencils has a guide, so you easily can like figure out where an A2 sized card panel fits the best. So I just use those guidelines. They are etched into the stencil to line my paper down, and I also adhere that so it didn't move around on me. If you have some pixie spray, pixie spray, you can use it, because that is the perfect tackiness to like adhere a delicate stencil like this to the background. But I didn't mind. I wanted these to be like more an organic look. I wanted it to look like it was in the middle of the jungle or something like that. So this part is really fun. It has like a framework around it. I love these stencils and I used them a lot of times in the past. And I just use my blending brushes here to go around filling in the frame here with the same colors as I used for my background. I just think that really tied everything together nicely. And when I was done with this, I will lift it up so you can see the final result here. I think it's just gorgeous. And then I played around with my placement here. I wanted that vine going across my panel and my monkeys like hanging there. And I picked one of the sentiments from this stamp set that says "Let's hang out." I just thought I was kind of cute with the monkey there hanging in the vine and like having a banana in its hand, just chilling. And yeah, so I placed some double-sided adhesive on the back of all of my monkeys here, and then I will place everything down. And the vine is sort of going across my panel there, so you will see that I will cut away a couple of parts here in a second. And the bananas I couldn't leave as is, so they also got some dimension to the backside, and you can see I'm having a scissor down there, so I'm just cutting them to be slightly smaller. And the banana in the hand, and then the sentiment, of course it got some dimension as well. And then when we're like done with all of this, you can see I'm taking my scissor here and just cutting away the parts that is hanging off my scene. I just think this makes the whole card look a little bit more finished. And then I will go in and embellish this with some clear sequins. And the sequins are from Pretty Pink Pars. I just love them. I think they are having this nice sparkle to it. And yeah, you will see it here in a second. And that pretty much finished this project off. If you like this card, it would mean a lot if you could consider giving this video a thumb up and maybe subscribing to this channel. That just lets YouTube know that you like this content and you would like to see something like this again. And there is also a coordinating blog post for this video if you like to see some close-ups of the finished project. And I would also like to mention that all of the products that I used in this video will be linked down below. Until next time, have a great day. Bye!